Means king tides are back. Forecasters are predicting the dangerous high tides over the next few days, but the Bay Area isn't the only place affected. Nicole Comstock is live in Solano County, where residents are taking notice of the warnings. Nicole?
That's right, Tia. We're standing on the pier right by the Vista Bridge, which overlooks the Sacramento River. And this is actually a forecasting site for the National Weather Service. They say the water levels here have risen significantly just today because of those king tides. But the people we spoke with said they're not so sure. As the year continues to wind down, winter solstice is washing ashore in Rio Vista. These splashes of water hardly look regal, but meteorologists say they're the result of king tides. So what do you guys think of the water levels out here? Randy Hardesty and his dog, Mr. Paco, aren't impressed. Neither is this kid. So what does the water look like today?
Looks like it's kind of fine.
Meteorologist Craig Schumacher says the National Weather Service has a forecast point near the Rio Vista Bridge, and the water has risen 3 to 4 feet with Sunday's king tides. It could cause erosion, he says, but not much flooding.
King tides occur when the Earth becomes aligned with the moon and the sun, and what this does is it pulls ocean water to the opposite sides of the Earth.
Amateur fisherman and expert water advisor Carl Ross broke down all that scientific speak.
That side and that side are going between together, so if you put it in the middle, so it's just got to stay there.
Exactly. And the king tides aren't helping the Ross family reel them in.
Hoping to catch the big one, just like the kid says. But, you know, it's nothing here.
What were you hoping to catch?
At least a striper.
All sarcasm aside, the water levels are slowly continuing to rise. The National Weather Service says king tides will continue in Solano County until Tuesday.
Higher tides than what we're normally used to. Yeah, I can tell by the rocks, and I can tell by the pilings on the pier, the water marks on those.
The National Weather Service says that king tides create very large ranges of tides, which means that you should see them rise a little bit in the morning and then taper off later in the day. You should be able to see them in Solano County until Tuesday.
All right, Nicole, thank you so much for that. And as we just heard,